Today I'm gonna do Parker's makeup. So first we're gonna do moisturizer. Okay, next we're gonna put on the Charlotte Tilbury whatever filter. Okay, next we're gonna use the e.l.f. concealer. So I'm gonna put this on any blemishes that he has, which he doesn't. Okay, next we're gonna do the Rare Beauty blush in shade Hope. Okay, now we're doing another blush because we can, and it's gonna be the e.l.f. This one is very pigmented, so get ready. Did you see him? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do the Rare Beauty highlighter. Any dots? Okay, last one is lips, and I'm gonna use this lip gloss. I feel like, And this is the finishing product. I went easy. He's so beautiful.